Okay, let's get it. Okay, what's good, y'all? I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get something to eat. So you guys that went to Tidal Rave, what happened? Put down in the comments if it was worth it. People I know that went aren't giving me positive reviews though. But honestly, for me, what makes an event exciting or not, I personally believe it's the people you have around you and their willingness to create memories with you. Some people get distracted with like trying to interact with everyone around them. Some people get distracted with like taking photos and stuff. Look, let me show you guys. The views are indeed immaculate. If I wasn't driving, I would like take my time and then put the ND filter in so that I can see it better. But yeah, the views are immaculate. Yeah, I might have to pause that after a while. I need to get my map. This place looks beautiful, doesn't it? Oh, truckers. This is where Ghana has ports and stuff. That's why it's like. Oh, when did they paint these light poles? They look really nice. And they aren't like the boring looking light poles. These are like really cool looking. Yeah, so in terms of my company, I'm actually considering getting like hiring like maybe 2 people to help with like customer acquisition and client relations. Wait, am I in the right place? Oh, fuck, I'm not. So yeah, you're a Basilisa. Le Basilisa. Okay, let me park it in. I think this place is a car rental place, so there's always like hella cars parked here. I think I can just park here. I don't think it'll be a problem for me to park here. Nobody is stopping me, so I'm good. Okay. I don't even think I'm parked right. Hold up. Let me get closer to this white car. Do a little turny turn. And then back it up. Okay, I think I'm good now. Okay, let's go get the food. Exit. Turn off the phone. Let's go. Ava. Yo, good morning. The shawarma, the one that is a mix. Pardon? Yeah. Yeah, just one. I don't want drinks or anything, just that. Pardon? 80, okay. I don't want too much of the ketchup and the mayo. I'll be using Momo. Oh, okay. Okay. But what POS system you guys use? Like the software? Not the device, the software itself. Smart restaurant. Okay. You know if it's Ghanaian? You don't know, okay. Oh, okay. So like that's what you've been using since? Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, thank you. Okay, so I have my ticket. So now I wait for my food. I like coming here at this time on Sunday because ain't nobody here. I should have been having my wide angle. I forgot. Hold up, let me go get the wide angle. Is that my car? Let's do this. Okay. So what he just said confirms one of my biggest concerns. A lot of restaurants are already on like a POS device and it's working for them, so there's literally no reason for them to switch. Yeah, I have to figure a way around it. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm trying to get someone that does customer acquisitions, client relations. If I could get one person that does both, that would be legit. So that's what I'm looking at right now. My friend is helping me get the people, so yeah. Right now I have one restaurant and a couple of people using the business management side. But right now I feel like the restaurant has a higher ROI and a higher lock-in potential. So like the disadvantage of trying to the problem with like trying to sell someone your software is also the positive. You get. I'm not structuring my sentence properly, but what I'm trying to say is the thing that makes it hard for you to acquire a customer is the thing that's going to make it easier for you to keep the customer. You get me? So if you're able to convince them to switch, then they're going to be quite locked in. They're going to be locked in with you for years. I need to start doing like a 5-year plan. Like you just pay 5 years up front instead of the 1 year. Because in business, 1 year is really short. Because I'm new to the game, I'm just doing 1 year. But I think I should start doing a 1 year, 3 year, 5 year packages, and then I get rid of the 1 month. 1 month is completely useless. 1 month opens me up to getting replaced quickly. Because like for instance, Basilisa, if they are locked in for 5 years and I come here right now and I'm trying to sell to them, even if they are like super interested, after the 5 years is over, I don't think they're going to sign because I don't think there's like any major issue with the POS system. Maybe I should talk to this guy and get some more information about him. So my point is 6 old Taco Bell. I didn't even know that. Maybe there's a Taco Bell here. Actually, let me walk around a bit so that you guys see where I'm at. I didn't show you the location. Oh shit. So this is literally what happened with my old wide angle lens. The magnet thing is not like as strong as you think it is. This is where I'm at. That's Lisa. Go to it. On the side of the radio. I'm so tired. Yeah, you guys. I actually got sick and got stuck in the house for like 4 weeks. It was ridiculous. Can you imagine not being able to do anything for 4 weeks, just being indoors? And the stuff like that lets you appreciate not being indoors. What's that girl doing looking at me with my camera working on me? I'm literally walking on the side of the road now. I don't know if you guys want to see. I'm getting my steps in. I think, did I leave my phone? That's crazy. I left my phone on the table. Let me go get it real quick. Should I cut through the grass? Let me show you from this angle what it looks like. Okay. Let me see. This is what it looks like. It's kind of cute, isn't it? So, I don't even know. Vanguard Assurance. Okay, I'm done. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm tired of holding this camera. But definitely today I'll be going to the place. I'll do the quad biking and then like a regular bicycle thing because I've been thinking of riding a bike for a while. I haven't ridden a bike in such a long time. Jesus Christ. I don't think I've ridden a bike since I was like 12 or some shit. But they say you never forget, so I'm looking forward to that. Let me actually see if I can call them and find out some information. Yeah, hello, is this, okay, you guys open on Sundays, right? So that's perfect. Alright, and is there like an entry fee or something? Yeah, I'm coming to eat, and then I guess maybe like quad biking or something. Okay. Okay, so if you're just coming to like sit down, then you have to pay. But if you're coming to do activities, okay, how much is it to just sit down? Yeah. Okay. Alright, alright. Wait, is there like a website or something I can see like the activities you guys do? I know there's quad biking and bicycle riding. Okay, so I look for Mahogany on Instagram. Ah, Montgomery here. Alright, okay, alright. Thank you. Right. Okay, so Montgomery. If you are what do you call it? If you're just coming to sit down, 150. If you're doing activities, I think 200 per activity or something. And then the 150 gives you a free bottle of water and a fizzy drink. What? Like, just take my money. Because I think there's this place, Sea Resorts, 200 cities, and then you get access to all the activities. But the problem is the activities are not things I'm interested in. Kayaking, what else? Tennis. Well, I like tennis, but yeah, I guess then I have to go with someone that wants to play tennis. Kayaking, tennis. They have like these animals in like cages. I don't want to call it zoo. It's like these animals in cages, like, you know, like monkeys, some really cool looking birds. What activities they have? I don't even remember, but yeah. But they were legit though.
Yeah. Because like you paired it with accessories and stuff.
Okay, I'm cutting it. Yeah, I'm tired. Talk to you guys when I get to Montgomery or wherever. You have no idea. Like, I've just been thrown into this maze, trying to figure out my way to the place. So the journey started off really good. All the roads were really good, and then I got to a point. The map told me to use a road, where the road goes through a residential area. So normally, I don't know why. Normally, when I get to these type of places, I don't even get stressed. They just let me in for some reason. What I figured out in Ghana is if you walk anywhere with enough confidence, people just assume you belong. So, let's just keep going straight. So now the map is telling me to turn right. But as you guys can see, the road on the right, I'm not showing you. The road on the let me show you. This is the road on the right. It's not a road, trust me. So I'm going to keep going straight. Yeah, this is the road on the right. It's literally a walk path, a walkway or whatever that thing's called. So I'm going to continue going down this road, because when I look on the map, okay, the map has calibrated, so rerouted, so let's do that instead. It's bad, but I guess it's not like what do you call it? It's not a deal breaker, I feel like. But honestly, the road was really good. It's not too far from where I live. If the road was really good, I wouldn't have minded coming to work here every once in a while. But yeah, the road is kind of whack. Right now the road is okay. Let's hope I've passed the worst of the roads, and I'm going to see like a good one, because I'm almost at the place. So let's go and see. Oh, the guy's waiting for me. Sorry. Yeah, I didn't know bro was waiting for me. Okay. Let's go. The song is stuck in my head, but I can't remember the name of the song. What the fuck is this? Okay, I have to get down and see how, because this road is looking very dicey. Let me park here and then see what's happening down there. What the fuck? Can you guys see? Oh, the road just came up really easily. So let me also go there really easy. Oh, it's fine. From up there, it looked like, hey, but it could scratch my car. My car is really low. Okay, it wasn't bad. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Okay, perfect. I think we're close. We are 3 minutes away. So, where did that kid come from? Oh. Yeah, I go to the restaurant, get some food, open up my laptop, and then get to work. Hopefully the network there is not too bad. Oh, I'm here. Montgomery. Go. So. Can you guys see? I don't even have the wide angle on. Oh, I have that wide angle on. Oh, it looks good. Maybe I should do like that. Can you guys see? Let me let's get in. Charlie, I'm not come to waste my time here. Yo. Yeah, good afternoon.
Please,
I'm going to the, I don't know, activities or whatever.
so you go straight to the security guy there.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Wait, is this thing like, oh, Montgomery Residences, Golf Estates. Let me show you. I'm not even showing you guys the thing. Alright. Sharp. Yeah, the sun is blazing. What the fuck? Abi, be cool. Alright. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so are
Oh
you
my God.
coming to meet someone or you can go? That's the reception.
Yeah, so I'm coming to. So I want to come to the restaurant and then maybe do some activities after.
Okay, so please then that's the reception. So
I should go there first, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, guys. Let's see what these guys have to offer. Offer. Fuck. Yeah, bitch. Okay, let's get this. Right. Let's go. It's like everyone talking about versus go so let's get that. Show you guys what's doing. It's kind of dope though, right? Alright. Thank you.
so what happens here?
So I'm trying to first go to the restaurant and then after that do some activities. Okay. So as you guys can tell, I'm already here. I've ordered my food and I'm going to start working. I'll show you the views later. Right now, just I have a lot of work to do, so I need to do it like as quickly as possible. So like once I'm done, then I will show you guys around. But this is what I'm looking at right now. It's kind of dope. So it's a golf course type thing, so that's why I don't even play golf. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of that. But yeah. The table isn't deep enough for me though. Like I might start working here, then I go somewhere else. Yo, these swings, can I sit on these swings? I could work on the swings. But yeah. Yeah. It's about to get done. Yeah, should have stayed again. they time me? Who they time me? Who they time me?
Who they try one?
Who they time me?
I be me now.
Ah, okay. If you like, if I make you stop, then you did that.